Yeah. Look at Casey.
Carolyn.
Look at Casey.
Raiden, what are you doing? You're making me move the camera.
Come here.
You gotta put the hood on her.
Careful in the kitchen, you'll fall flat on your face.
Carolyn.
Let's put the hood on. There you go.
Ow, ow.
It's the Grim Reaper.
No.
She doesn't like the hood on.
When your arms come out.